wait a minute, shh, don't talk too loud because this is a real serious situation. Just this morning, this special motorhome rolled in, and I'm not supposed to be telling anybody about it. So I'm telling you guys because I know I can trust you, all right? But take a look. This is the 2025 Grand Design Lineage series. Now, I usually come around with Jesse Lambert, and today I had to, kind of hide from him because I didn't want him to see what was going on here. Got some awesome storage outside. Got your propane connection over here. You have the Rockford Fosgate sound system. This is incredible. You're gonna love it. The outdoor entertainment, and check out the weight of this door. It's aircraft grade aluminum. It's heavy. It must weigh 10 pounds. And then we have this beautiful TV. And yeah, I'm looking pretty good in the silhouette here. But easy access to your propane tank. You got other storage. You have your inverter over here. 3,000 watt inverter, by the way. I believe there's 600 watts of solar on this camper and 260 amp hours of battery. So this thing is amazing. And if you look, it has these new Lippert windows where you can roll the shade in from the top or the bottom. They're dual pane, lightweight, side view cameras, slim racks, slide systems, real easy to work on. And take a look at the storage they have in the back side of this full wall slide. It's incredible. We got to take a look at this thing. And this is, look at the storage compartment under here. And you can see that they have the ducted heat coming in as well. And they have the polished wheels from Mercedes. They're gorgeous. And I don't even know what all that stuff. You got the ground, you got the this, that, and the other thing going on with the 110 power. You have the Truma Aqua Glow on-demand hot water heater, one of the best on-demand hot water heaters in the market. Look at this total area over here. And not only that, so if you take a look to the left of where the water pump is, that's all braided stainless steel hoses. And if you look under the cabinets inside, it's all braided stainless steel. This is a high quality camper. They're doing things above and beyond. Now, not only that, they're on the 4500 series Mercedes Sprinter chassis, so it has more payload. It has just a better braking, all that stability. Suspension's a little bit different. Let's go inside. I'm getting a little excited. I should try to calm down. But look at this thing. It's got the shade in the window, so you can open and close that yourself. You come in, you have power control. You have your leveling control right here at the doorway, the inverter on-off switch. And then you have the multiplex control panel. Look at that. You can turn all your lights off and on. You can check your battery levels, your house battery. You can set your temperature in here. You turn on the AC, and I want to turn on that AC. We're plugged in right now, and I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's really super whisper quiet. It is on. The AC is actually on, and all I can hear is a little bit of airflow. And check out these cool vents over here. They close like this, they open like that. It's really wonderful. And again, they have the Rockford Fosgate sound system. They had this Cree AC, and they had it specially designed with the Grand Design logo built right in. But listen to that thing, it's whisper quiet. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna turn some lights on because it's really beautiful in here. Oh, we got all these off, that's what it was. All these lights are, and any one of these lights that has these little arrows, that's dimmable. So if you're main ceiling, you hold on to that. Those main ceiling lights are going to start dimming, and then you click on them, turn them on and off as needed. Now you look at, you have electric heated massage. No, they're just electric. And so you have USB and USB-C, and you can fully recline. Uncle Bernie's chilling out. Look at those stupid Merrill sneakers, and look at the beautiful layout. And those are those windows I was talking to you about, right? So right now, it's set up so you can black this out or bring it down, and that way you can let the air out. Or if you want to open the window, you just unlock this thing, get in there like so, open it like that, and let it all hang out, right? So it's a beautiful location. Now, at first I was looking at these cabinets. I said, hey, these cabinets, they look kind of cheesy. They're composite, right? But check out this little thing. unlock it like so. I've never seen these before. And you open it like this. Now you feel the cabinet itself is actually quite heavy and quite durable. So this is a great cabinet, very high quality, and the pull-out drawers, all maple face plywood. It's gorgeous. And look at a little throw for the bed. It's gorgeous, and there's storage everywhere. And you come up here, and whoever ends up sleeping up here is in luck, because this thing is solid as a rock. But check how dense that dense foam is. It's not going to collapse on you. You have USB and USB-C. You have 110 over here. Remember, you have that 3,000 watt inverter, so you can turn things on anywhere. And just on both sides of the overhead bunk, you have all the power controls, and you have the shade control. You can close that shade because that sun's coming in. It's about almost 4 o'clock here in Merrimack, so you want to cool this place off and have control. And even in this beautiful lightweight product, they have this gorgeous full-size sink with the glass washer, and you can put all different racks in here, and it's plenty deep enough for the big pots and pans. And you still have the control over here too. You have the microwave and the 2-burner stove. Big refrigerator, Furrion refrigerator. It's fantastic. Now, don't tell anybody. Now, I tried to shut this off earlier. It's still on. I'm going to shut it off again because it's using up some battery here. Here we go. It's off. It's off. And we have a fantastic fan here. And we have a king-size bed. Can you believe it? Look at the size of this thing with this huge wardrobe over here. And look at the 3 drawers. And then look at the size of this wardrobe with the motion sensor light inside. You could fit all your ballerina dresses in there. And I'll tell Jesse that when he comes to look at this video to make sure he understands. I was thinking about him when I was walking around this. But yeah, look at these drawers, how big they are. They got to be 10 inches deep, probably 16 inches wide. Fantastic. And now we're going to take a look in the head. And I forgot to show you, I got a TV here. You got a TV over there too. So you got TVs everywhere. Look at this beautiful bathroom, right? Look at a counter space. Again, stainless steel, all designer, Grand Design logos. Beautiful medicine cabinet. Sat in the corner. Tons of room for other toiletries and cleaning supplies under the sink. And remember I was telling you about those braided stainless steel hoses? They're using only the best quality equipment in here. You have the self-squeegeing shower door that easily retracts. And guess what? Uncle Bernie actually fits inside the shower. Beautiful LED lights. A nice non-slip mat that comes with it. Again, with the Grand Design logo. Place for your shampoo and your soap, and you have a nice spray head with a wand so you can control all that. Hey everybody, come down to Campers Inn in Merrimack. If you want to see this, you have to come right away. We're in Merrimack, New Hampshire. Come see Uncle Bernie, and I guess you can also see Jesse if you want to, but we'll be here to show you this lovely and exciting Grand Design Lineage. All right, have a wonderful day. Love you. One last thing, when it comes to secrets, this Grand Design Lineage has all the secrets. Check this out. There's a safe in each headrest. If you open up, and don't tell anybody because this is secret, but look at that. You got a safe in each headrest. This is a magnificent vehicle, everybody. Please come down to Campers Inn in Merrimack before it's too late.